I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power to the fan and verifying it's dead with a tester. Safety first. Once done, remove the grill by squeezing the springs or unscrewing the screws and set parts aside so you don't lose them. Next, expose the fan housing enough to see the motor, mounting bolts, duct collar, and exterior vent connection. This tells you whether you can repair from below or must access from the attic or roof. Make sure to note any rust, oil, or loose wiring before proceeding. You now diagnose. Check the capacitor and wiring for loose terminals and corroded connectors because these are common failures. Once identified, clean the fan blades and housing with a brush and vacuum to improve airflow, then lubricate bearings if they have oil ports. If the motor hums but won't spin, swap the capacitor or motor assembly. Follow manufacturer torque and wiring diagrams. Finally, secure and seal duct joints with foil tape and replace damaged flex duct to restore proper exhaust flow and prevent leaks. You finish by reassembling the housing and grill, reconnecting the wiring per your notes, and restoring power to test the fan on each speed setting so you confirm airflow and quiet operation. If you hear vibration, make sure mounting screws are tight and the fan blade is balanced. A small shim or repositioning often cures wobble. If airflow remains weak after motor repair, inspect the roof vent or exterior hood for obstructions and clean or replace the hood. That single troubleshooting step solves many persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.